Hello everybody, greetings, it's Brian here. Happy Tuesday night of August 4th of 2020, early Wednesday morning of August 5th of 2020. I would like to pass on some very wonderful news. So this is going to be very wonderful news / involves COVID-19. So I'm also going to tell you right now, I just got a wonderful email from the Fava people. My Auntie Bobby has sent that to me on my phone. So she said she and my mom and I were definitely going to discuss about that too, for me to get into film school this at the end of this summer, of this August, and come early in the fall in September. This next month of September in the fall coming up. And very likewise, I'm also wanting to tell you is, in 5 months, this January 2021, in 5 months from this summer of this August of this year 2020, I'm excited to announce that this January, in 5 months from this summer of August of this year and in this next month of September of 2020, come January 2021, so by the end of the summer holidays and by the end of the next winter holidays, I will be going back to my school at NAIT again for my Adobe Photoshop course level 2 that I had to delay back in March in respect of the COVID-19 coronavirus situation pandemic. As a matter of fact, ETS is already putting brand new battery electric 40-foot Proterra buses on the streets of Edmonton this month. There's going to be 19 more coming at the end of this summer in the fall as well. So YouTubers, please comment below if you would like me to do any ETS Proterra 40-foot electric buses. So I have never filmed one of the electric buses before, but I plan to do that sometime too. So I still have to wear a face covering mask on the buses, or when I'm going into any of the malls to look around, and also when entering stores too. So that's something that I'm being very careful. And likewise, my mom and Neil have texted me today to let them know they were staying in Calgary for tonight. They will be back home late tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon. So this is good news, and we're also going to get my things looked at, such as my EI report and also my schooling to look into. In fact, the COVID cases have been going up too, so we're over 1,100 cases now. So cases have been dropping slightly, but we're not at the end of the COVID yet. But good news is, I am going to be very carefully rescheduling my plans this year as well. So like the last month of this summer, and also this next month of September, at the end of the summer in the fall, including over the month of not just September, but this October, next November, December, and of 2020, and this January of 2021 as well. So there's going to be a lot of changes to restore our plans very carefully, and hopefully by next year, when there's a time I can plan my adventures again, like go to Soundwave at World Water Park at West Edmonton Mall. The Soundwave people did message me, and they said they don't know if they're going to reschedule the Stevie Aoki Soundwave event in respect to the COVID-19 situation. In fact, I also want to say is that with everything's been canceled this year, like summer festivals, this month of August of this summer is canceled this year, and pretty much the fall festivals will be canceled in the fall, and pretty much the winter holiday festivities are going to be like pretty much canceled too. So with no New Year's Eve fireworks going on at the end of this year, 2020. So it's for everybody's health and safety to stay very safe, avoid getting this COVID-19 coronavirus disease. In fact, I also want to tell you is I have reached over 4,900 YouTube videos, so I'm going to be up to 5,000 YouTube videos soon! So anyway, hopefully when the time comes by this next year, hopefully I can get a chance to do some random public transit trips again. My vacation trips, like go to Calgary, go to Hamilton this next spring in April of 2021 or close to early May, and also plan to go to Calgary this next July of 2021 in 10 months from this September, October of 2020. So not that very far, so there's lots of time to reschedule. So, and again, it does depend on the COVID situation, so not going to be negative or rude about this, no. But it is very important that between right now of this summer of August and also at the end of the summer of September, October, November, and December, and also the winter month of January of 2021 as well, to stay safe and vigilant while we're still trying to battle this COVID-19 coronavirus. This deadly virus has been going around. It's very serious. But the good news is, I want to tell you is I've been looking after my place too since while my mom and Neil were away on their camping trip over this August long weekend, so there hasn't been any issues. And as a matter of fact, I gotta tell you though, doing YouTube videos of random bus trips on ETS is a lot of fun, especially on the Calgary transit buses in Calgary, that I'm planning to do again when it's a time I get to do that this next July, when I get to go to the Calgary Stampede. And most of all, I'm looking forward to doing film school with Fava at the end of this summer in September. So my Auntie Bobby has emailed me that too, so I'm keeping that in my email as well. And also getting my schooling back on track this fall, and also this January of this winter of January 2021, and also February, close to early spring in March, and April, who knows. But right now it depends on the COVID situation. So YouTubers, I respectfully want to say thank you for hearing me talking about very wonderful news / involves COVID-19. Before I go, I really want to say, please keep doing our part. We just have to wash our hands frequently, maintain a 2-meter physical distance, wear face covering masks when you can't control that physical distance. So have a great evening, YouTubers. Tuesday night, August 4th, 2020. Wednesday morning of August 5th of 2020. See you all later.